5 seconds to go. Start. The appellant Chittaranjan Baroi is the father of late Prativa Baroi, aged about 29 years. He has preferred this appeal against the judgment and order of the trial court acquitting the sole accused Sheetal Das of the charges under sections 364, 302 and 201 of the Indian Penal Code. According to the prosecution case, victim Prativa was working as a teacher in Milky Way English Medium High School, Gauhati at the relevant time, and on 29th May 2009, she went to school at about 8 pm telling everyone at her house that she would be leaving for New Delhi with the owner of that school, namely Mrs. Aradhana Medhi, PW11. Her father Chittaranjan Baroi, PW1, mother Meena Baroi, PW2, her brother Chandan Baroi, PW7, and her sister Kripa Baroi, PW9, took her words into good faith and remained with an impression that she would leave for New Delhi with Aradhana, PW11. Even PW14, the chowkidar of that school, came to her house on that day at about 10 am and told her mother Meena that he had safely dropped both Aradhana and Prativa at the airport. But Prativa did not inform about her reaching New Delhi to her family members, and so on 31st May 2009, Chittaranjan went to her school and met Pratul and inquired about any news from Prativa. Pratul assured him that she would return shortly. But Chittaranjan got surprised to see Aradhana entering the school premises in her car, and when he met her and inquired about Prativa, she denied accompanying her to New Delhi and assured him that Prativa would return soon. Perturbed, the family members of Prativa spent the night, but at about 2:33 am, a message came from the mobile phone of Prativa to the mobile phone of her sister Kripa, intimating that she had been staying with one Amit at Jorhat and she had been working at MMC company at Jorhat. After the said message, the mobile phone of Prativa was found to be switched off. Smelling foul play, Chittaranjan lodged the first information report Exhibit 1 at Police Station Gauhati on 1st June 2009. It was a missing information report about Prativa, and the information was entered as GD entry number 9 of 2009 dated 1st June 2009. Thereafter also, messages continued to come intermittently from Prativa's mobile, and on 6th June 2009, a letter was received purportedly from Amit Sekia, where it was again informed that Prativa was safe and sound and was with him at Jorhat. At this, Chittaranjan again lodged a first information report Exhibit 2 before the same police station on 8th June 2009 in continuation of his earlier missing report Exhibit 1, fearing that Prativa's life was in grave danger. This report was registered as Baralamukh Police Station Case number 163 of 2009 under section 366 of the Indian Penal Code. PW21 was then posted as attached officer in that police station and he took up investigation. He recorded statement of Chittaranjan and visited the place of occurrence. He also seized the letter wide Exhibit 3 in presence of PW13. In the meantime, on 1st June 2009, some members of the Mahila Samiti Women's Organization of Village at Golpara district noticed a newly dug pit amidst the garden at village. In that area, the members of the Mahila Samiti used to plant rubber trees. PW4, PW5, PW6 were the members of that Samiti. When the pit was noticed, some local people removed some freshly put soil from the top of that pit only to find a portion of a dead body slightly emerging, and then they informed PW3 and PW15 of that locality. They also smelt bad odor coming from the pit, and so they informed the matter to the police. PW19 was the then attached officer at Golpara police station. He was informed verbally by both Kelvin and Pabitra regarding the discovery of a dead body, and after making a GD entry wide number 9 dated 1st June 2009 exhibit 13, he went to the place where the newly dug pit was located. There he found one dove lying near the place and seized the same wide exhibit 6 Caesar list in presence of Calvin and Pabitra. He also drew the sketch map exhibit 12 of that area and informed the officer in charge of Golpara police station regarding discovery of a dead body. PW20 was the then officer in charge of that police station. On receipt of the information, he already instructed Pawan to investigate. And on being informed about the discovery of a dead body, Rohini Kumar Chaudhary PW16, who was at that time working as the additional deputy commissioner at Golpara, was contacted. He immediately rushed to the place of occurrence. Stop.